Good morning, everyone. What is up, everybody? Today, we're just going to be working on some price action. I'm just going to do probably just an hour today. Clock. Or actually, I'm going to see how long I can do this for, but my goal is an hour today. So 65 minutes. Sure. So clear this. Right, you guys don't see this. Just a second. Okay, so you guys see here, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I do have a checklist now. Quite a simple checklist just to give me some good context. It's not the same checklist as my data collecting here, phase 2. As you can see, it's just a little bit different, but this is just so I can be more accepting to uncertainty, because you really never know. But anyways, on to the back testing. I'm just going to do kind of bar by bar. I'm going to probably press the time replay before do anything else. Alright, so we're just going to let it play. So far we do have a trading range. We have some highs and seats. Lows here. Just don't really fall through 5 minute or 10 minute. It does fall through the 30 minute, but this trading range does slightly. Inside a trading range. It's pretty climactic at the same time. So I don't think I'll be trading this, at least this day. Just kind of sitting, waiting for this trading range to go by for some kind of breakout follow through, but it doesn't look like that's happening. People were selling high, buying low. Got breakout follow through here. Pretty strong, but getting high in the trading range now. flag here. Final flag. So the day's over. Let's talk about today. We do have a first back for a little bit. The breakout, but it failed to break out. Friday's move. Friday's swing low. Slight reverse. It's just like a spike in some kind of very wide channel here. Might be a trending trading range day. So you can probably sell here, but here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not really that good at it. I do see a trending range here, breakout, and then pull back, bull trend, spike, reversal. Good, yeah, just a big trade range. Sorry, got a little distracted. Back. So we are getting a breakout here. It's not that strong yet. Just going to wait a little bit. Here we're getting a breakout follow through here after failing to break out of some prior highs. Do have a low 2 after testing a prior day's low. Do have follow through here. I guess this is a trend breakout, a strong leg. We are flat on the EMA, but the signal bar is pretty strong. It is a type of low 2. I might take this for just a 1 because we have a failed breakout, but the reversal is not that strong. Again, we are flat on the EMA. 10 minute, slightly climactic, but there's no magnet. Besides breaking back inside of the range, and the pullback has been pretty weak. So I'm just going through this checklist. We have breakout. It's always in shorts. We have a strong signal. It's good context considering we just failed to break out. It's also in a good location since we broke back inside of yesterday's range. So that's a good location. 30 minute, we do have a failed breakout. It's not shorts. It's not really ideally shorts for the 30 minute, but for the 15 minute, we do have breakout fall through slightly in better context than the rest of these. So let's try it out. 30 minute looks good. 15 minute looks good. And I accept that if I'm wrong, then I am wrong. I followed my entry criteria. That's the best I can do. Just like that, I'm stopped. If I did not move my stops, I probably would have gone the 1-2-1. That's fine. I've de-risked. So let's just put it down. Shorted it. Now we're going to journal it. The date, April 28th, 2021. Trending strong. No fall shorts. It's low 2. So some test. Bullish flat. Breakout was fall through 15 for 10 minute fall through. Also got failed breakouts. Also failed breakouts. We're kind of in a trend range, but I think higher time frame trend was slightly strong. Entered on bar 20, got out bar 21. Is my mic working good? Hopefully my mic was working good. But anyways, yeah, just trading range day, failed breakouts, same thing as the last couple of days. Anyways, we're waiting for some kind of breakout with follow through, entering with trend. That's what my focus is about. We'll never know uncertainty. All I do know is what I do know at a probability. So again, just waiting for higher time frame to close with strong follow through. Okay, so 15-minute, we are getting follow through. We are closing at the EMA and climactic back into yesterday's range. So possible reverse, possible sideways. Not really too sure. It is always in shorts on the 5-minute. 30-minute does look like we are just pulling back on the 30-minute. But on the 10-minute does look pretty strong, although we are at a prior day's magnet and the EMA. So possibly, could be, maybe some profit taking at the EMA, but we're just going to see it for the next couple bars. Okay, so we are closing pretty strong back into the EMA. Oh, looks like this low one got nice. Maybe it might get 2R. Maybe not. There's the 2R for the low 1 short. I think I'm going to start to just take notice of these strong high ones. If I do notice them, studies here. Strong high ones. Go. Okay, so on to the next, right? We do have pretty strong bears. We did close bears here. 30-minute follow through, fits 10-minute also follow through, but we're back inside of yesterday's range. If you scroll back a little bit, it does look like this could be possible support, but we really don't know. Just going to wait for the breakout follow throughs, and we are getting one here on the 10-minute, but it does look like a deep pullback. Not until bulls get a higher low, but until then we could just form a training range, a big flag here, or just a deep pullback. Higher high one buy, but at EMA. And again, just waiting for that 10-minute or 30-minute to close strongly with fall through. But in the meantime, it does look like this is a deep pullback. This could be a trading range. It is quite a chilly day today. Hope you guys are staying warm and cozy for the holiday seasons. But it's a good day. It's a good day to practice, warm up those practice muscles. I'm wondering if this low one is also good here. I'm not really too sure, but it did produce something quite nice. There's the high 1 and 4 and 3 are breaking the low. Wow. So these high ones are very strong. High low, I mean not high ones. I'm sorry. High ones, low ones. Again, pretty strong bears. This was just a deep pullback here. I wonder if I could have sold something here. But anyways, failed to break out of prior day's low. We do have a strong reversal. But this reversal needs a lower high, which is almost right here. So I wonder if we can reverse from here. Just gotta wait. Oh, there's follow through back to the EMA again. Maybe always in longs here, especially with the failed breakout and the consecutive candles. This is the second time. Bears did complete 2 legs down already, so maybe we can get something small up here. It's not really swing worthy just yet, but pretty strong bulls. Don't want to sell it just yet, or sell out, or ideally to sell. This look like a deep pullback on 30-minute. Again, probably best not to short since we did short already a couple times. Bulls are starting to close pretty strong. Bears are closing pretty weak. We are back above both the EMAs. Pretty nice bulls. Bulls are getting some follow through. Really nice follow through. Could be maybe wedge top here, but I don't think I'm going to call this wedge top since the pullback is pretty weak. So is it a late leg? No. Is it a wedge? Yes. But is it a failed wedge? Yes. Breakout follow through again. And bulls are pretty strong now. I don't want to sell. Chance maybe we can reach back to the high, but maybe. I'm not really too sure. Very strong bulls again. I'm not sure if there was any chance for me to buy. Hey, maybe around here. Maybe, but not really looking too good. I would like to enter on a strong bar. like slowing down. Both bears are getting followed through now, so probably just stay out of the way. Maybe a flag is forming, maybe a train range is forming. Does look like a trader range is forming now, so best to stay out of this. Day is about to end. Pretty good days. Alright, so let's break down. Since yesterday just finished off, we're going to read what kind of trades we could have taken. I think there. Oh, okay, so we're doing a 5-minute break. So we're just going to stop that real quick. Maybe some sells there. I don't know. I wish I could have bought something around here, but again, I'm really not used to this. Weak signal, strong trends. Maybe we'll search that up for our break. Let's take a little chill. I'm on chat right now. Let's ask the chat. Buying strong trends, but the candles to buy are weak. What do we have on the 30 minute? 30 minute does look like a big trade range again. Does put us in the lower half of a trading range. So swinging shorts, probably not the best idea. Under here, we gap down. No follow through for our bears. We did close as a bullish bar with some slight reversal, but it's just 2 bars a day so far. Also underneath half of yesterday's range. So, just wait for breakout, follow through, wait for breakout out of ranges. Thinking strong trends. We're going to try to buy at the EMA. Right, okay, so we're going to be noticing how strong it closes back at the EMA and how strong it does. But in the meantime, I'm just going to go back to the trading and then see how price reacts around the EMA. If it fails the EMA in the direction we are trying to go, I think that probably will be lower versus these right here. They close strong, right? We hit near the EMA, we did close a strong reversal around it. Bulls are getting slight fall through here. We are still underneath the EMA. Let's start. Trading range. Big up, big down, trading range. We have to break out. Okay, so we do have breakout fall through for 30 and 15 and trend strong, and we're not at the magnet. We're actually going towards near magnet. Breakout fall through, always in shorts. Strong signal, good context, good location. 30-minute and 15-minute, and I do accept uncertainty. Just one of those trades that look good to fail. High two, I realized that even though I'm not that great, I took a loss there. Wow. Again, bottom of the trade range. Okay, so I accepted it. Can't be mad. Was at the bottom of the trend range, so just going to take that as a big loss. So kind of like no room. loss. Okay, so 2 losses so far. It's okay. Just got to be more aware of the context. I think the context, again, bottom of the trading range. I did mention that earlier, but I accepted it. I think I'm just going to talk about each first and then assess my trades after. Middle of the trading range, not really too special. We are at the open and the EMA is flat. Waiting. It's another follow through. Touching yesterday's low. Not that close of a strong. High 1. Betting on a breakout again. Fail, of course. Strong leg, but possibly transforming into a train range or a final flag or a deep pullback. Most likely train range, reversal, deep pullback. Bears pullbacks, weak. Like a bear channel going on here. So this is a pretty slow day. Not really much. Again, another trending trading range day.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night.
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected, saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things, and they're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million.
Choose your fighter.
So, again, we're trying to break back inside yesterday's range. We are back inside yesterday's range. It did close twice. This is almost the second time we're in here. But shorting here, I'm not too sure. I'm most likely just going to wait. Maybe. Or not. Probably not. Not yet. Trading range. Does look like a trading range. Probably gonna sit this one out. It is possible that bears can get a small second leg down, but another slow day. It's all good. Just practicing that patience. I think in the last hour of this, I might try to speed run some trades. Boring, but boring is good. Means you don't have to trade these. You should be grateful for not losing money. day again. Just super slow day. Yeah, nothing much to talk about other than bears and bulls are making money. Wonder if this spike is strong enough to go for a second leg. There you go. Boom. Even the 3? Wow. Big 3. It's low and short here. I'll go and take a little break real quick. Going to pee. Be back. Alrighty, I'm back. So I'm gonna start this up again. Boom. Okay, let's do this. And where did we left off? We left off strong leg. This got a second leg. Here, I see shorts now. Just a little short bias here on the 10-minute. Again, top of the training range, so I guess it does make somewhat sense. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. Anyways. Back to the charts. Looks like the end of the day. Looks like we have one more day, and then that should be it. We are getting some breakouts below. Breakout, big fall through, big fall through. Let's see what's to come. Like this, something's happening very quickly. Pull back. Might be some sellers. Some weak sellers though. strong reversal. And follow through low 2. Follow through zone, strong signal, good context, good location. Good, 15 minutes, good. And I accept uncertainty. So let's do this for 1. Doesn't work. Okay, never mind. Resets. Oh, looks like it's forming a flag of some sorts. Shorts. Follow through as a short, strong signal, context, application for that. Accept that, you know what? Sometimes you do lose. It's stronger for swing, so 2, 8, 6, 6, 5, 6. See how this goes. I am attempting to make new lows. There's the 1-to-1 already. Boom, 2-to-1. Holy cow. Strong enough for a swing. 2-to-1 instantly. Just like that. Ooh, that felt good. That felt real good. But just because I followed my system, followed my rules, get paid out. Nice. I'll write this down. So I'm pretty stoked for the 2-to-1, but oh man, what if this got like 3, right? So let's just write this down. It does look strong enough for 3. Oh my goodness, maybe we can get in, but let's just write this down. Got what we needed. May 40th. May 40th. 21. A plus trade. Yeah, breakout plus follow through. Always in. Zero. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16. 16. 121. Alright, since I wrote that down, see if it can even go to 3. There's a good chance it might go to 3. But we don't really know. 2 is good enough. Low 1 again. Possible shorts. Jeez. Reset this. Did hit 3. Look at that. 3R. Possible reversal now. Still early in the day to take more trades. Actually, so I'll be quite interested. Possible training range. Not too sure. Let's breakout follow through. Small, 2 legs up. But 45 minute doesn't look too strong. Yet doesn't look like some kind of pullback. 10 minute is bullish. 5 minutes also bullish. Strong bullish? No, not yet. Another breakout, climactic pullback. Possible third leg up. Climax late leg as well. Not late, but third leg. Small pullback, bull trend, bull channel. Buying 50% pull mark, pullbacks. It's probably a good idea. Buy there, buy there, buy here. Okay, so it looks like we're done. I'm going to start spamming for trades now, especially looking on the 15-minute for breakout closure. It's actually good breakout closure. Don't really want anything that's like too weak per se. looks like I'm done with the study session. I'm just going through the chart, see if I can see some fast trades, but not really. Alright, I'm getting pretty tired, guys. So I will be stopping the stream. We're just basically just kind of just one good trade here, and then just bad price action, just slow price action that I really don't excel in. So I did what I know, which is here, strong leg, second pullback, second entry to our strong leg, right? And I was just trying to look at or another variance of it. There's another one possibly here, but I couldn't really read that. But anyways, I hope you guys have the great rest of your holidays and weekend. I'll probably be back Monday or maybe tomorrow, maybe later today even. But keep studying, keep having that deliberate practice, and keep having that fire to trade, fire to learn, fire to be curious. But anyways, you guys have a good one.